everyone, welcome back. I'm Sowson. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful potato bake. It's quick and it's easy and the kids adore it. Are you ready? Come on, let's start cooking. Now it is quick and easy, perfect straight after school. I've got 7 here. I'm just going to make a few holes in them and then put salt, pepper and olive oil and straight in the oven 200. Now while that's baking away, I want to bake some bacon strips as well, so we'll have them both baking at the same time. I want to get the bacon really crispy. Put down my sheet and some bacon strips all ready to go. Just lay them down. Just added potatoes, bacon and 500 grams of sour cream. And now, mozzarella, cheese, as much as you need. Just put it all on the top and we're gonna bake it again for another 10 minutes until it's all nice and gooey. Okay, it's come straight out of the oven. It smells absolutely gorgeous. And it's hot. A little bit of sprinkle, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top and get it going. Now, I'm going to cut straight through. You ready? Here we go. It's time for me to go, but before I go, I'd like to wish my grandson Jazz a special 9th happy birthday and may all your wishes come true, baby. Daughter, and I love you so much. Goodbye everyone, God bless. Wow, is that not gorgeous? Too good. Too delicious. Gotta try it.